happy mail. Really, really, really happy mail. Look at this awesome not paper, but bag. I love this. As soon as this bag drops on my doorstep, or Tideman picks it up and brings it in, I'm like, yes, Karen, I love it. Because I know exactly who it's from. And it's from Karen over at While Darcey Sleeps. Just 1 second. Right. I can't show you that. No, I'm sorry guys, but I cannot show you the compliment slip because it's got some pretty much kind of like top secret information in it. So you will have to wait. As always, links to While Darcey Sleeps on Facebook and everywhere else on social media, even a blog, will be down below in the description. And look at this. I love this. For everybody else who doesn't know, just 1 second, let me get them. For anybody else who isn't aware, I order from Karen quite a bit, and like I said, Karen over at While Darcey Sleeps is the maker of our Beadaholic mascot Darcy, and she is called Darcy because of the name While Darcey Sleeps. Yeah, she's actually advertised on her site as Victoria Sponge because, oh, she smells awesome. She's scented. She smells like a Victoria sponge cake. I will just clarify that she came with this polymer clay charm of a little Victoria sandwich sponge slice, which smells amazing. It did not come off in any way, shape or form. I took it off because the granddaughter got hold of it. It was my fault. I'd left it on the table, and I thought, when I saw her playing with it, I'm like, come here please a minute. I mean, she was only 2 at the time. She's 3 now, so she was like probably about 2.5 at the time actually. I'm like, just come here 1 second, Pud. And I took the charm off, left the thing on. She wanted the necklace on, so I left that on, but I took the charm off. I thought, well, I'm not taking any chances, so I took it off. But it's so cute. But then afterwards, when she went home, I brought Darcy upstairs, and she's been up here since, so she's out of the way. I don't think she is CE tested. A lot of Darcy's Karen at While Darcey Sleeps, quite a few of her things are now child safe. They're CE tested, safety tested, and certified. But I don't think Darcy is. And I thought, right, well, I mean, she was sat on my knee the whole time she was playing with her anyway, and she weren't chomping on her or anything like that. She was just kind of doing this and playing with her mane or her. So I'm like, right, okay, no problem. And then I took her off her. I'm like, right, Darcy needs to go to bed now. So we brought Darcy upstairs and she put her to bed with this. So cute. These aren't Karen's, but she got these, which are actually knitted face cloths. That was something that we tried quite a few years, about 2 or 3 years ago on the business side of things. Myself and Mum had to do it knitting little squares like these. Different colours. We kept these to try, but we did different colours just to use as like face cloths and wipes for grandchildren. But our granddaughter found this and she uses it now as Darcy's blanket. So it is Darcy's blanket. So, but like I said, you will see, probably you will have seen Darcy on social media. Usually because she's with Jackie Unicorn, who isn't. Jackie Unicorn actually, although she features heavily with pictures of Darcy, she's not a While Darcey Sleeps teddy. She came from somewhere else. But yeah, so we've got Darcy and then we've got Blue. This teddy has had a plethora of different names, but we finally settled on Blue, which is cute. It's got a little backpack that you can stick a little Cadbury's cream egg in there. In fact, she's bringing these back. She's just announced not long since that she's bringing these back. I got this last year. But yeah, I love it. And the backpack can also be removed. How stinking cool is that? But yeah, I love it. So, and of course, the granddaughter came up to put Darcy to bed, and then she grabbed this and she put Blue to bed. So that's Darcy's blanket, and that's now Blue's blanket. But they're actually just face cloths. Anyway, but yeah, so we've got Darcy and Blue, and then we have this, which was actually a unicorn Christmas bauble, but it ended up being my pincushion. So yeah, she's now the pincushion. You'll see her lurking around in the background on different things with pins and all sorts sticking out of her poo thing. So anyway, these teddies aren't kind of for playing with. The one I use as cage mascots. This one, however, is a bit of both. As many of you will know, my daughter is pregnant, and the other day she decided, well, not even the other day, for Christmas I bought her, well, Coffee Bean. He's not born yet, he's not due till May, but I bought Coffee Bean and our other 3 grandchildren, so the eldest grandson, the eldest granddaughter, the youngest granddaughter, and Coffee Bean, who is also a boy, will be when he comes out. I bought them teddies from Darcy. Karen. I refer to her as Darcy, then people know I'm talking about, because I know quite a few people called Karen. But I bought a teddy each for all of them from there that was CE tested. Our eldest grandson got a Rudolph teddy. Our eldest granddaughter got a mermaid teddy. The youngest granddaughter got a Oakley bunny teddy, and Coffee Bean got an Oakley bunny teddy as well. Oakley bunny for our granddaughter was a very pale pastel pink colour, and the one for Coffee Bean was blue. So yeah, but my daughter decided the other day, after finally going over to Karen's page at While Darcey Sleeps and having a look around her stuff, she gave me a shopping list. This, I swear to goodness, it's like the list, honestly, the list she gave me is the length of my arm. So she's got an order in with her now for, like, is it 4 or 5? I think so far we're up to 4 different teddies, because she's now starting, even though he's not here yet, she is now starting his very own While Darcey Sleeps teddy collection, and that's what they're going to be. Some of them we will be buying the CE tested ones, because we want them there for him to play with, like in the Moses, well, not so much Moses basket, but you know, stick in the basket, that sort of thing. Put in the pram with him. But also she's going to set up this shelving, or she's actually going to build one with my husband, and she's build this shelving unit, and he's going to have his own personal little While Darcey Sleeps teddy collection, which is awesome because it's something we can all add to for like birthdays and Christmas special occasions, or just because. So I really love that idea. But yeah, she's got all sorts going on, and this is one of them. This was me. I spotted when Karen changed her Facebook cover photo on the business page, in the corner, not the very corner, but in the corner there is a bunny that's all pastel colours but multicoloured. It varies in shades. And I was like, I want that, please. I really, really like, not necessarily exactly the same as that, but I really, really like that. Can I have one of them, please? Not bothered about it being CE tested because it's not necessarily for Coffee Bean, but I'd really love that, please. So she's like, yeah, no worries. And she sent me a link to a website where all the different yarns were. She said, take your pick, and whichever one you choose is what I'll make it out of. So I did. Now, this yarn was quite special because, like she said, not only did I get to choose the colour, she said it's got little speckles in it that when you knit it up and everything, it works, or crochet, it works up into like little flowers. And I'm like, oh, that sounds awesome. So she did it, and when she'd finished it, she put a picture on. She asked, I said, no, it's not a present for anything, so by all means go go ahead and share it, you know, it's no problem. And she did, and it was like, oh wow, the setup that she did and everything were amazing. And she put like a little cherry blossom tree with it, and it was like, oh my gosh, is that really mine? She said, yes it is, this is yours. And I'm like, right, well, start off, it's not a boy anymore, it's a girl, and I've changed its name to Blossom. But also, wow. So I am so excited, and I've just opened it here anyway. It's been here, what, a week? Actually nearly a week. Last Tuesday or Wednesday I think where it came, and it's now Monday. So nearly a week, and I haven't opened it yet. I've opened the bag, but I haven't, like I said, you've just seen me open this. So look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look. It is just stunning. I love it. I absolutely love it. Everything about it. Oh my gosh. Just awesome. And this is Blossom. And Blossom will probably become part of the crafty gang, or crafty crew as they're being called. So like Jackie Unicorn, Darcy Unicorn, Blue, and now Blossom. I'm starting my own Darcy's collection here. And the unicorn, which hasn't got a name yet. She's just, like I said, more a pincushion than anything at the moment. But yeah, but oh wow, honestly, it's awesome. It's so fluffy. Well, yeah, cute and fluffy, and look at the colours. This lighting's not doing it any justice right now. It's trying its best to snow out there, so it's really dull. But wow, just look at that. Perfect colouring as well. Oh, I love it. Oh, I absolutely love it. My daughter's going to love it too, because as soon as she saw pictures of this, she's like, I want one. I want one too. So she's ordered one, exactly, like pretty much in the same. She's like, I want one like Mum's, please. So yeah, she sees this video or whatever, she's going to come across and she'll be like, try pinching it, which she tried with Darcy as well. But yeah, oh my word, that is just awesome. Karen, oh wow. Honest to God, wow. It's even better in person, in real life, than it is in the photos. Just amazing. Amazing. You are one talented lady. You really are. Just wow. Even if this had been a teddy for the baby would not have been getting it. Coffee Bean would not have been going anywhere near this. This is mine. And I think I'm going to have to start my own Darcy's teddy collection, really, because honestly, it's just, it sits up perfectly as well. It's going to have to go on a shelf in the new workroom. They really are. They're going to have their own little shelving hammock or something in there, I'm telling you. And I love this. I love these papers, and I'm going to use these. I'm keeping these. The ones that I got the children, the grandbabies for Christmas, came in wrapping paper as well, and it were like, I'm not sure whether it is vintage paper, but it looked like vintage Christmas wrapping paper. It were awesome, and I've got them saved somewhere as well, and I am going to use them in my journals. Excuse me. So even your packaging, oh, tell you, mind block. Even your packaging is not going to go to waste, Karen. So yeah, love that. But oh my goodness, just wow, guys. Look, just, oh my word, wow. Love the eyes and everything on it. It's so cute. A little fluffy stuffy bottom. Oh, awesome. Just look at the detailing. Focus. Wow. Little cute little bunny tail. Oh, I love it. I really, really, really love it. I really, really do. Just, oh, super, super cute. Thank you so much, Karen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm not going to show you, but in this little package here, I'll be using this bag as well, Karen. But in this little package here is some top super secret mission that Karen is doing for me, and it's business related for both of us. It is a business collaboration where Karen is going to be making me some very special things out of her polymer clay. She made this too. I think it's awesome. It actually does look like a piece of cake. But yeah, she will be making, won't be cake related for me, but she is making me some polymer clay special things to be used in special things. And once we've ironed out the kinks in that, these are prototypes and they're awesome, but we have a bit more work to do on them, or she does anyway, design wise. But once they're done and we are good to go, Karen will then be named as our exclusive supplier of said items. So yes, I am extremely excited about that. That's pretty much why I can't show you this properly, because it's got information on it and a drawing for a tweak. So, but yes, awesome. But you don't need to see that anyway, because Blossom's the main focus of this video. Just look at her, she's gorgeous. But yes, so I am mega excited about the collaboration. I can't wait for that to happen. It's in the works. I can't wait for it to be finished and actually put into use. And yeah, awesome. I can't wait for my daughter's stuff to arrive. I think when it arrives, I'll let her open it and then I'll bring it all across here and do a mail time video to show you what she ordered. But yeah, so absolutely awesome. Thank you so much, Karen. And you can bet your bottom dollar I will be back for some more teddies and stuff soon. So until then, thank you guys for watching. Go and check Karen out, seriously. And oh wow, these are for sale. Not just a custom order for me, these are for sale, so go and get them. And I'm pretty certain she could do them in other colours too if you ask, because I got to choose which yarn I wanted for mine and I just went with the bluey turquoisey one because obviously it's my colours. But there were other colours, so definitely I would imagine if you ask, she will be able to get them in for you as well. I might even get some more in different colours and have my own little Blossom collection. Anyway, I'm going. I'm going to go look at her page. Oh dear me, seriously. Right, I'm off guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.